Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to share a Jupyter notebook with others using Google Colab. But before we dive into the steps, let's talk about a few potential obstacles you might face when sharing your Jupyter notebook. So the first thing that could happen if your notebook is large or contains big data sets, you might run into storage issues if you're using a free Google Drive plan like mine, so be sure to check your available space. Second is the privacy settings. Google Drive has privacy settings that can affect how you share your notebook. If you're not careful and leave it open to anyone with the link, anyone who has the link can access it. So double check the sharing settings. So the first step that we're going to do is to open Google Colab on your browser and create a new notebook. Wait for it to load, and here we have a fresh Jupyter notebook. You'll know it's a Jupyter notebook because of the familiar format, typically with cells, where you can write your code. For example, let's type something simple here for illustration. Now, once you're happy with the content of your notebook, you can save it to your Google Drive, click File, then click Save a copy in Drive, and it'll create a copy in your Google Drive. Now that your notebook is saved in Google Drive, you can share it with others. To do that, simply open Google Drive, locate the notebook, right-click on it, and select Get Link. Make sure to adjust the sharing settings like anyone with the link can view and copy the link. You can then send this link to your friends or collaborators so they can access and view your notebook. Another method is saving your notebook to GitHub. If you are into version control or collaborating with developers, you can save a copy of your notebook in a GitHub repository. Once uploaded, share the GitHub link with others for easy access. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.